Okay, my wonderful students, we're going to practice some more. We are in our activity book. We are in our activity book on page 42. Page 42, 4-2. So we're still asking similar questions. Is there? So the question is there? And the answer, yes, there is, or yes, there's, which is the contraction. So number one, be this one right here. And the question is, excuse me, is there a bank in this neighborhood? Excuse me, is there a bank in this neighborhood? And the answer is yes, there is. There's a bank. There's a bank on Park Street next to the school. Correct. So it's going to look like this. Now this is in your activity book. Also, it is down here. So we have, excuse me, is there a park in this neighborhood? And the answer is yes, there is. There's a park on Park Street next to the school. Number two. Here's going to be this one right here. So the question is, excuse me, and then we need to use the question, is there? Is there? Is there a video store in this neighborhood? And the answer is yes, there is. So the question, excuse me, is there a video store? And the answer is yes, there is. There's a video store on, Main Street. On Main Street. What is it? That's right. Around the corner from. Around the corner from the clinic. Number three. The question is, excuse me, is there a supermarket in this neighborhood? Is there a supermarket in this neighborhood? And the answer is positive. Yes. Correct. Yes, there is. There's a supermarket on School Street across from the post office. Yes, there is. There's a supermarket. There's a supermarket on School Street. On School Street. And what is it? Across from the post office. Across from the post office. The next one, number four. So we have the question. Number 4, we have the question. Excuse me, is there? So the question is, excuse me, is there? Is there Is there what? So it says, is there a park in this neighborhood? Is there a park in this neighborhood? And the answer is yes, there is. There's a park on State Street between the drugstore and the library. So the answer is yes. Yes. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There's a park on State Street between the drugstore and the library. Between. The last one, the question is, excuse me, question, is there a gas station in this neighborhood? So, excuse me, is there a gas station in this neighborhood? The answer is correct. Yes, there is. There's a gas station on Central Avenue next to the fire station. Yes, there is. There's a gas station on Central Avenue next to the police station. Very nice practice.